How y'all feeling, Sneak Show fam? It's your boy Timo, the Sneak Show, back with another video, man. This particular video is an early review of an Air Jordan sneaker that's supposed to be releasing July 1st. This sneaker is simple, but it is clean. If you're new to the channel, like I said before, I am Timo, the Sneak Show, an Air Jordan retro sneaker collector. If you collect sneakers, if you're starting to collect sneakers, or if you just love sneaker content in general, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, man, we're going to get into this video, man. So yeah, I did cop this sneaker from Chicago Emporium. You can check them out on Instagram, man. They have early releases, man, authentic pairs, man. You see this box right here, that gray box with that red jump, man. We're going to flip the box over. The label reads Air Jordan 13 Retro, colorway white, true red, wolf gray, size 12, personal pair, of course. Flipping the lid over, like I said, you see right here, you see that sticker, well, that card right here. Like I said before, that's Chicago Emporium. Buy, sell, trade, man. Authentic pairs, man. Early pairs, man. I rock with them, man. I cop, you know, several sneakers from them, man. And everything's came back authentic. But yeah, we're going to get right here. Flipping this right over. Are y'all ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, you see it right there. You see it right there. Oh, dang, just threw the box all crazy. But yeah, man, you see it right there, man. The Air Jordan 13s, man. Hold on, let me get this thing together, man. I'm just throwing stuff all crazy right here, man. You know, let me go ahead and boom. Do that right there. Do that like that. But yeah, man, you see it right here, the Air Jordan 13 Wolf Gray. Like I said, these are scheduled to release July 1st for $210. This sneaker also reminds you of an Air Jordan 13 that released in 2005, which was the neutral gray. The only difference was where this red is right here on the bottom of the sneaker. Right here, you had the university blue. But matter of fact, we're going to start out right here with the bottom of the sneaker. You see right here, you got that red outline. You have that Panther eye right here, that green Panther eye hologram with that black jump, man. You do have the white pods here. You do have the hits of gray as well. Flipping the sneaker over to the lateral side, you see starting up here at the top, we do have that basketball-like tumble leather right here on the side with the signature dimples here as well. You go down right here, you do have some smooth gray suede leather right here. Then you also have like a suede material here going down just right above the pods right here. You got the white pods, and of course you see that red outline. You have right here on the side there, of course, that signature Panther eye, or the hologram that's symbolic of the Panther eye, because you know that one of Michael Jordan's nicknames was the Black Cat. So yeah, and that's what the inspiration from some of this sneaker is from. So like I said right here, you see that. Then we go into the front of the sneaker right here. You do see the tongue right here is that leather with that red stitch jump, man. Coming down the middle of the sneaker, you have a continuation of that white leather with the white shoestrings with the holes right here for breathing. And then you see right here, you have like a plush on the toe box, a plush white leather right here, a little bit tumbled there. Pretty plush, nice leather as well. Then, of course, right here, you have that white pod, of course, again, with that red outline. Then you go into the inside of the sneaker, is the same as the outside, but the leather right here, the tumble leathers are probably about 50% less. And then you got a little bit more of that gray suede right here, with that gray suede here, and with the white pods here on the side as well, with that red outline. You see the sock liner is white, so of course this sock liner will get dirty, man, so be careful with that, man. But otherwise, like I said before, the sneaker is simple, but it is clean. Oh yeah, also in the back, before we go to the inside, the back right here, you do have that gray suede right there going down, and then to that white pod and that red outline again. And I forgot to mention right here, right underneath that lacing system, you do have Jordan written in red with that gray border. This is a nice sneaker, man, in my opinion. Hold up. Dang. Hold up. That daggone shoot. That daggone joint in here is in here tough. Dang. Alright, so we have that in here. So when you get your sneakers, make sure you do have that inside of it. So you see inside of the sneaker, it's a white sock liner, like I said before. Also, the back of the tongue does have the sizing tag and stuff like that. But yeah, the insole right there is white with that red Jumpman. I don't know if you can see that here. And the right shoe is exactly like the left shoe. Nothing different, but like I said before, this sneaker is simple but clean. Like I said before, these are scheduled to release July 1st for $210. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about the Air Jordan 13 Wolf Gray. These, like I said before, are clean in my opinion. A nice clean sneaker with a lot of neutral colors on it. And yeah, it's a predominantly white sneaker, but you know, they will get dirty, but nothing that a good shoe cleaner won't help, man. But yeah, like I said before, these remind you of the neutral grays that came out 2005, man, what, 18 years ago. Let me know in the comment section below about that as well. Would y'all rather see Jordan Brand re-release the 2005 Air Jordan 13 neutral grays with that blue? I'm not trying to make this video very long, so we're going to go ahead and get to the end of the video. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new content like this, which is every day over here at Timo the Sneak Show. We dropping a long form content, a short or something every single day. We are bringing you content every single day, man. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok as well. All handles are the same, Timo the Sneak Show everywhere. If you want to support the channel, hit the link in the description section below because we do have t-shirts, hoodies, and more. And stay tuned because soon we will be having some new merch coming on the way, some fire stuff, some exclusive stuff. But until next time, it's your boy. Stay humble, go hard, and don't let nobody stop you. One.